So पूर्वस्मिन् गृहकार्ये संख्याविषये आसीत् अनन्तरम् इदानीं लङ्लकार भूतकालपरिवर्तनविषये जिज्ञासा अस्ति चेत् पृच्छन्तु. So I think from the last to last homework completely on upasarga, so I think it is clear. Wherever there is upasarga is there. Where the upasarga is not there, there is it's like staha. Dvau putrau staha. Staha द्विवचनं तस्य भूतकालरूपं भवति आस्ताम्.
Mother, what is the meaning of staha?
स्तः
Yes.
पुत्रः अस्ति 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 शब्दस्य अर्थः कः? अस्ति इति एकवचनं, स्तः इति द्विवचनं. अस्ति स्तः सन्ति द्विवचनं बहुवचनं. So for example, if you want to look, you can look up the table here for this as dhatu. You see here as dhatu? On the screen. So if you look up that, you will see here that lat lakar rupani anantaram lang lakar rupani. Astistah astam. Pratama purushah. Other thing, for the lakara, we know lat lakara vartamana kale, lang lakara bhutar kale. Also, उच्चारण समये भाषण समये उच्चारण समये तथा लेखन समये अपि लङ् इति उच्चारणमपि अस्ति लेखनमपि अस्ति. तथा लेखनं तथा उच्चारणं तथा लेखनं. लङ् not lung. Some of are written like lung, like this, or lung. It's not lung. There's no g, just lung. Lung.
In Mahodaya, if you have to spell it in English, would it be L-U-N a G after that, or just L-U-N, Mahodaya? Lung.
In English, there is no T for ng.
No, I'm the sound ng.
There is g. There is no g. There is no g. Yatha vangmaya. Yatha vangmaya jananti vangmaya.
Okay. No g in it. Okay.
No g. In this ng is there. Vangmaya. Like vang.
Thank you.
For example, in English, if you want to write English only, for example, when you say English, right? In this also, before saying G, what comes here? No, that is no. English, right? English. So, but in this, we are not pronouncing G here, just stopping here, like lung. Okay.
Guruji, I have one doubt in that Trinshata. Phalani is Bahuvachana, then it should be also Bahuvachana.
That is what we saw here, right?
Ditya Vivakti Bahuvachan Mahodaya.
Nitya Bahuvachana.
Nitya Ekavachana.
It should be always Bahuvachana.
Yes.
Sorry. I have.
Yeah, that's fine. What are you saying, Sheila Bhagini?
I was just explaining, Mahoday. It's not Prathama Vibhakti. Maybe he was looking. It's a Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachan, not the Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachan.
द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनम्
For Falani.
फलानि is बहुवचनम्, but त्रिंशतम् is ekavachanam.
Yeah. I have question on verb, Mahoday.
Verb.
So, what is the way to understand it will be afalam or prapnot? Like a prapnoti, I put a prapnot, and falanti here is afalam is correct. So
Yeah.
prapnoti is why a prapnot is not correct. It's going to be prapnot, the verb.
Okay.
How to distinguish where the a comes?
Jagrati Bhagini, can you help with this explanation? To answer the question. If you want, you can unmute.
उपसर्ग अस्ति चेत् प्रायोगः आप्नोत्.
So, फलति विषये किम् अस्ति? फलति विषये उपसर्गः अस्ति वा नास्ति?
नास्ति.
So, Sheila Bhagini, do you remember the upasargas? Mahoday, Sheila Mahoday.
Yes, Mahoday.
Upasarga. So, phalati, when we write phalati and prapnoti.
Oh, so pra is a upasarga here, and noti is a verb.
Apnoti is the verb. Apnoti.
Oh, apnoti is a verb.
Pra plus apnoti.
Oh, okay. Apnoti. And only still apnot will be, which should be the verb then.
Huh? If there is if upasarga nasti chet asya bhutakala rupam bhavati apnot. Right? Apnot. उपसर्गः नास्ति चेत् इदानीम् उपसर्गः नास्ति चेत् लट् लकार रूपं भवति आप्नोति अनन्तरं लङ् लकार रूपं भवति अ प्लस आप्नोत् which is again आप्नोत् एव इदानीम् उपसर्गः अपि अस्ति उपसर्गस्य योजनं करोतु तत्र प्र प्लस आप्नोत् पुनः प्राप्नोत् भवति प्र प्लस आप्नोत् प्राप्नोत् अत्र तु उपसर्ग
महोदय संवर्धयत् और संस्तपति
संवर्धयति
उसका मैंने लिखा है असंवर्धयत्.
So 1 second. So prapnoti is correct? I mean, is it understood? Prapnot.
Understood.
Yes, Mahoday. Okay. Yes.
So phalati has no upasarga, so just phalat.
Okay.
Phalati, phalat.
So on the verb also we have to see whether there is a upasarga or not before changing the lakara.
Before changing it to lakara, always separate the upasarga first. If there is upasarga, if there is no upasarga, no question. If there is upasarga, keep the upasarga out first. Then change the lakara form. Then bring back the upasarga. These are the steps, simple steps.
Yes. Yeah, I was confused what is the distinguish, but I got it now. Upasarga. Look for upasarga.
Yeah, samvardhayati also there is some. Sam plus vardhayati. वर्धयति अस्य रूपं लङ्लकाररूपं भवति यथा चोरयति अस्ति चोरयति तस्य भूतकालरूपं किं भवति चोरयति अचोरयत् वर्धयति अवर्धयत्
संतपति भी वही होगा.
या avardhayat. So again sam plus avardhayat, sam avardhayat. Santapati, same thing, sam plus tapati.
धन्यवाद महोदय.
Okay, so a little more about the. So hopefully you have this book with you. If not, you can download it from here. I've shown it to you before from this website. Go to resources. The grammar study books to download, and then the very first one, Shabda Manjari. You can download it from there. So it's a very useful book. So in that book, so let's look at this page. Sankhya Shabda Prakaranam, Sankhya Shabdaha. So this we already said, seen. So first column here, Ponsi. Ponsi means Pullinge. Striyam, Strilinge. Klibe, Kliba is Naponsakam. Klibe, Naponsakalinge. Klaibyam asma gamakpartha. Tatra Klaibyam, Kliba, Naponsakatvam. Klibe, Naponsakam. And तथैव द्वि शब्दस्य द्वि इति प्रातिपदिकं तस्य रूपाणि पुंसि स्त्रियां तथा क्लीबे त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु. अनन्तरं त्रिशब्दस्य त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु रूपाणि चतुर् इति शब्दस्य रूपाणि, which are already in the table. Pancha, Ashta also there. So here also note that Vimshatyaadayaha, Vimshati, etc. Vimshatyaadayaha, so like Vimshatihi, Trinushat, Chattvarimshat, Panchashat, Shashtihi, Saptatihi, Ashitihi, Navatihi, ite Strilingaha. Trinushat, Chattvarimshat, Panchashat, ete Trayah Takaranta Shabdaha, Sarit Shabdavat, iti Anne Ikarantaha. So, that is one. But other अन्यः विशेषः अस्ति अत्र एतेषां द्विधा प्रयोगः संभवति. So far we saw they are always nitya strilinga त्रिंशति आरभ्य नित्य स्त्रीलिंग नित्य एकवचनं. परन्तु इदानीम् एतेषां द्विधा प्रयोगः संभवति. द्विधा मीन्स टू वेज. विशेषणतया विशेष्यतया च. विशेषण विशेष्य. विशेषणतया प्रयोगे एकवचनमेव. यथा वयं दृष्टवन्तः यथा त्रीणि रूप्यकाणि. तत्र त्रीणि इति पदं विशेषणम्. अत्र उदाहरणमस्ति विशेषणतया प्रयोगे एकवचनं. यथा विंशतिः कुमाराः बालकाः, विंशतिः बालकाः इति एकवचनं. परन्तु विशेष्यतया प्रयोगे तु द्विवचन बहुवचनेपि स्तः. तेषां प्रयोगः द्विवचने बहुवचने अपि भवति कदा विशेष्यं भवति चेत्. So these numbers, where could they be visheshyam? You know, visheshyam means what? That word itself is the main pada, right? Visheshyam means. Kada bhavati udaharanamasti. Yatha ruppekaanam dve vimshati. See here, vimshati. Atra द्विवचनम् अस्ति. लिंगं समानं. लिंगं तु स्त्रीलिंगमेव. रूप्यकाणां द्विविंशति. That means 220s of rupyakas or coins. 220s means 2 groups of 20s or 2 times 20s of coins. So here it is visheshyam. It is not actually describing or visheshanam rupyakanam asya padasya visheshanam nasti. We are saying there are 2 20s, so that 20 itself is a mukhya padam here. two groups of 20s, two 20s. So here dve vimshati. So here it becomes dvivachanam. Gavam tisraha vimshatayah. Gavam means dhenunam, of cows. There are 3 20s. 3 20s means what? 60 totally, right? So 20, 20, 20. Suppose there are 3 groups. Vimshati, vimshati, vimshati. Tisraha vimshatayah santi. So in that case, we'll use, it could be bahuvachanam also, dvivachanam bahuvachanam. Because we are talking about 20s of that number only. Gavam tisraha vimshatayah. Of cows, there are 3 20s of cows are there. Anyatra पूर्वम् उक्तमेव अत्र इकारान्तानां मति शब्दवत् विंशति अनन्तरं षष्टिः अशीतिः नवतिः इति मति शब्दवत् तकारान्तानां 30 40 50 एतेषां सरित् शब्दवत् रूपाणि द्रष्टव्यानि. ओके, तदेव अत्र विशेषः. शतम शतसहस्र अयुत लक्ष प्रयुत शब्दाः अकारान्त नपुंसकलिङ्गाः. So that we have seen. शतं सहस्रम अयुतम लक्षम प्रयुतम इति. So these are all multiplied by 10. शतं इत्युक्ते एकं शतं वयं जानीमः. अनन्तरं सहस्रं जानीमः. अयुतं दशसहस्रम् इति अयुतं लक्षं दशानि अयुतानि लक्षम अनन्तरं प्रयुतम 10 times that, million is प्रयुतम. So these शब्दः अकारान्त नपुंसकलिङ्गः, कोटि शब्दः इकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गः. Okay, एतेषामपि विशेषणतया प्रयोगे एकवचनम् एव. एकवचनं नपुंसकलिङ्गं, लिङ्गं तु अस्ति एव. शतसहस्रायुत लक्ष प्रयुत नित्य नपुंसकलिङ्गः शब्दाः, कोटि शब्द इकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्ग. अथवा शतं जनाः, जनाः इति पुल्लिङ्ग शब्द बहुवचने, परन्तु शतम् इति नित्यम् एकवचनम्. अत्र नित्यं न, अत्र एकवचनम्. अनन्तरं नपुंसकलिङ्गं तु अस्ति नित्यम्. अतः शतं जनाः मीन्स् थिङ्क् आफ् इन् इंग्लिश 100 people, 100 men. So we are not saying hundreds, right? Hundreds men. We don't say hundreds. So men is plural, but shatam 100 remains in ekavachanam, right? 100 men, 100 women, like that. Shatam janaha, sahasram striyaha, 1000 women, ityadi.
महोदय द्वेषते सम्यक्.
Veshate means 200.
Okay.
So 10,000, how the word ayuta has comes, and prayuta, ayuta, prayuta. Is there any basic fundamental rule for Saida?
I don't know that. I don't know the how they are.
Is just just a Sanskrit. It is a word. That's
yeah, like word. Like here, words are given
okay.
Here. Again, there are more also.
Yeah, I've seen it. I copied it.
Guruji, this table will it be available in Excel full sheet?
I sent the link in the WhatsApp group yesterday.
Okay.
When you asked the question, I have sent the link in the WhatsApp group. Just check it.
What does that? P means 10p2.
10 to the power. 10 to the power 7.
10 to the power of
10. Means 10 multiplied 7 times. 10 by 10 by 10 by 10 by 10. or 7 times zeros, 7 zeros after 1. Right? Where were we? PDF. Deshate त्रीणि शतानि जनाः is 300 people. So another अन्य विशेषः अत्र 300 इति न वक्तव्यम् for 300 अस्ति चेत् त्रीणि शतानि 300 इति वदामश्चेत् it becomes 103. द्विशतं means 102. एकशतं means 101. Just say shatam or ekam shatam is 100. Dve shate, trini shatani, chattvari shatani, etc. Chatushatam, panchashatam is they are all 105, 104.
Mahodaya, I have a question. We saw the word Rupyakanam. Now that is Shashti, right? But what is the Pratipadikam for that? How do we look it up? The Vibhaktis?
Rupyakam.
So it could be Napunsakalingam.
Yeah, like Phalam.
Okay. Dhanyavada.
Guruji, Eka Shatam is 101 or 100?
Eka Shatam 101. 101. Ekam Shatam. Or just shatam.
Yeah, 101.
No. Just listen carefully first. Eka shatam is 101. Then ekam shatam is 100.
Oh. What's the difference?
Okay, so this Kati we'll see later. Now,
Deshate?
Sorry?
Dveshate is what?
Deshate is 200.
200.
Dvishatam is 102. So from Sankhya, this is Sankhya Shabdaha. Anantaram Sankhyayaha, the next topic is connected to this. Asya Anantaram Bhavati, Asmadanantaram Atra Sankhyayato. In this Dvitiya Patra, that there is second tab here on the same. Sankhyayaha. Sankhya means in English you call it ordinal numbers, I think. In Sankhya Shabdaha, some of the Sanskrita Pustakeshu, you will also see them as Purana Pratyayantaha. This is like a more Vyakarana term, but Asya Jnanam Bhavati Ched Uttamam. Brahma na Bhavati. No. Purana Pratyayantaha. Purana Pratyayanta Shabdaha. So just what is this Purana is not the topic now, but main thing is what are the forms. Sankhya ordinal numbers. Prathamaha Prathaha. So Prathama Shabdasya Artham Jananti Sarve. Anybody doesn't know what is Prathama? First, right? Prathamaha, first. Ekaha means what? Ekaha.
Prathama.
One.
Ekaha is one. So Ekaha Balakaha Asti. So Prathamaha Balakaha Asti. So what is the difference?
First boy.
First boy.
First.
Ekah balaka is one boy. Prathamah balaka is first boy.
First boy.
So we are calling here Ekah Sankhya Shabdah. Sankhya. So now Prathamah is Sankhya. Sankhya अथवा पूर्ण प्रत्ययान्त.
So Prathama we have to use as only Visheshana.
Huh? Visheshanam.
Prathama we have to use Visheshana.
Visheshanam. Okay. Samanyata Visheshanam.
Mahodaya, what is that Purana Pratyaya?
Purana Pratyayanta. Purana Pratyayanta. So there is a pratyaya called Purana.
Purana Pratyaya.
Pratyayanta.
Yanta. Okay, okay.
इत्युक्ते पूर्णप्रत्ययः यस्य अन्ते अस्ति तत् पूर्ण यथा कृदन्तशब्द कृत् अन्त अस्ति कृदन्त तद्धितान्त तिङन्त लेबन्त. we know many antas now. Subanta, subanta. So like that, this is purna pratyayanta.
महोदय पूर्णप्रत्ययाः प्रत्ययान्ताः विशेषं न भवति.
They could be like when we say just prathamaha, somebody could be prathamaha, right? But mostly they are visheshanam.
Okay.
Kasachit nama bhavati prathamaha, saha prathamaha. So there also it is visheshanam. So mostly 99% they are visheshanam.
Okay.
But kadachit, if you are intending to make it as vishesham, it is possible.
But Namapada also we can use. Pradhan Mantri Prathamaha asti.
Yeah.
Here we used as a
Right.
Namapada.
Namapadam. इदानीं प्रथमः इदानीम् एतेषां रूपाणि कथं भवन्ति पुल्लिङ्गे स्त्रीलिङ्गे नपुंसकलिङ्गे अत्र विशेषणमस्ति सर्वेषां लिङ्गभेदः भवति अनन्तरं विभक्तिरूपाणि वचनभेदः वचनं लिङ्गं विभक्ति सर्वं भवति अत्र किं भवति प्रथमः प्रथमा प्रथमम् इति पुल्लिङ्गे स्त्रीलिङ्गे नपुंसकलिङ्गे सो अत्र पुस्तके किं दत्तं प्रथम शब्द संख्येय शब्दाः ऑर्डिनल्स अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग प्रथम अथवा राम शब्द सामान्य प्रथम शब्दः प्रथमः प्रथमौ प्रथमाः प्रथमे इति विकल्परूपः अस्ति बट जनरली वी डोंट फाइंड इट यूजुअली सो प्रथमः प्रथमौ प्रथमाः यू कैन रिमेंबर इट इजीली लाइक राम शब्दवत् सर्वं प्रथमं प्रथमं प्रथमान् राम शब्द इति पुल्लिङ्गे स्त्रीलिङ्गे आकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्ग शब्दवत् सामान्य शब्दः रमा उमालता प्रथमा प्रथमे प्रथमाः रमा रमे रमाः नपुंसकलिङ्गे फलं शब्दवत् फल शब्दवत् प्रथमं प्रथमे प्रथमानि इत्यादि द्वितीयः अपि समानः द्वितीयः द्वितीया द्वितीयौ द्वितीयाः अकारान्त Okay.
What is the meaning of Prathamau and Prathame? Can you explain me in English? Prathamau and Prathame.
Prathamaha. Bahuvachanam.
Prathama, okay, I understand. Okay.
Prathamau. If there are two people who are first, then both are first, right? Prathamau.
Yeah. So, okay. Then there are three people, more than two, it will be Prathame.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want to remember Prathame, that is fine. Otherwise, you can remember Prathamaha.
Okay. Pratamaha.
Just Prathamaha. This is alternate form. Prathame or Prathamaha. Or Prathame or Prathamaha. Vikalpa rupam.
Okay.
So here also there are vikalpa. Vikalpa means alternate forms. Vikalpa rupani. The vikalpa rupam asti ditiyasmai ditiyaya. Either you can use ditiyaya or ditiyasmai. No, ditiyaya is easy, like Rama Shabdavat, Ditiya Ramaya, like ditiyaya, ditiyat, etc.
सर्वनामैद अपि भवति
सर्वनामवत् अपि रूपं यथा एकपदमस्ति एकस्मिन् एकस्मै तथा अपि भवति अत्र अकारान्तनपुंसकशब्दः द्वितीय तद् सामान्यरूपं फलशब्दवत् एव द्वितीय तथैव तृतीय एतेषां रूपाणि अपि तथैव सन्ति यथा अत्र तृतीयम् अत्र दत्तं कोष्टके चतुर्थ पञ्चम षष्ठः सप्तमः अष्टः नवमः दशमः अद्य शुक् अद्य कः वासरः किं दिनं किम् अद्य शनिवासरः अद्य शनिवासरः सप्ताहे मीन्स् इन् द वीक् सप्ताहे कतमः दिनः कतमं दिनम् अस्ति अथवा कतमः वारः अस्ति कतमः वासरः अस्ति अद्य कतमः मीन्स् which or what is the number, what number, katamah. Okay, so katamah means in terms of numbers. संख्या शब्दस्य विषये प्रश्नः कर्तुम् इच्छन्ति तदा इदानीं सपोज धावनस्पर्धा भवति 10 बालकाः सन्ति धावनस्पर्धायां तत्र वयं प्रश्नः कर्तुम् इच्छामः यथा कः बालकः प्रथमः अस्ति so that is one way कतमः बालक कः बालकः is means we want to know the name तस्य नामस्य नाम्नः जिज्ञासा अस्ति परन्तु कः बालकः इति परन्तु नंबर वाइज कतमः बालकः प्रथमः आगतः कतमः बालक means suppose they are wearing the numbers 1 2 3 4 on their back or on their t-shirt while running. So if you want to ask which number of which sequence in that which one came first, so katamaha balakah. So similarly atra mama prashnah saptahe shaniwasarah katamam dinam asti. What is the sequence number wise in the week of shaniwasara?
Seven.
प्रश्नः संस्कृत भाषा संस्कृतेन
सप्तम
पुनः वदतु
सप्तम
तत्र सप्तमत्र लिङ्गं कुत्र लिङ्गं वचनं विभक्ति सम्पूर्णवाक्यं वदतु मम प्रश्नः अस्ति पुनः प्रश्नं शृणोतु शनिवासरः सप्ताहे कतमं दिनम् अस्ति कतमं दिनं
7 सप्तमं दिनम् अस्ति दिनं शनिवारः सप्तमं दिनम् अस्ति
सम्यक् शनिवासरः सप्तमं दिनम् अस्ति दिनम् इति नपुंसकलिङ्गं दिनम् अस्ति सप्तम दिनम् तथैव प्रश्नाः न सन्ति चेत् पुनः वदामि अहं सर्वदा प्रश्नाः न सन्ति चेत् पुनः म्यूट् करोतु कृपया इदानीमत्र स्त्रीलिङ्गरूपाणि सन्ति स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दः अत्र प्रथमा द्वितीया एतानि पदानि प्रायः अस्माकं प्रयोगे सन्ति यथा प्रथमा तिथिः षष्ठी अद्य तिथिः का अस्ति तिथिः वयं जानीमः तिथिः पौर्णिमा भवति चेत् पक्षे मासस्य दिनं तिथिः का अस्ति तिथिः इति स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दः तिथिः प्रथमा तिथिः द्वितीया तिथिः तृतीया तिथिः चतुर्थी अद्य वयं अद्य एकादशी अस्ति एकादशी उपवासः करणीयः एकादशी किमर्थं वदामः एकादशी स्त्रीलिङ्गे किम् एकादशः दिनम् एकादश किमर्थं न एकादशं न किम् एकादशी किमर्थं वदामः अद्य एकादशी अस्ति एकादशी किम् अस्ति एकादशी तिथिः अस्ति तिथिः स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दः एकादशं दिनम् एकादशी तिथिः द्वादशी त्रयोदशी तथैव चतुर्दशी षष्ठी सप्तमी सर्वे शब्दाः सन्ति स्त्रीलिङ्गे फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड एटसेट्रा देन how do we translate? Look at the 15th boy. Look at the 15th boy. Giovanni. Look at the 15th boy.
Yes, look is I can't remember look. I can't remember the word look.
Drishyatu panchamam.
One second, everybody. Giovanni is trying, please. Hold on. Everybody can mute, please. Let Giovanni answer. He's trying.
It should be, yes, it's the one whose datu is Dursh, right? So
yeah.
Yes, I just can't remember how is it in the...
Pashyati.
Oh, Pashyati, okay. So, Pashyatu. So, the 15th, you said?
Yes, 15th. Right?
Yeah.
Boy. So, if 15th we can do later. 15th anantaram, just boy. Pashyatu.
Yes. Balakam.
Boy.
Balakam panchadasham pashyatu.
Samichanam. Panchadasham balakam pashyatu. Panchadashah asti. Panchadasham balakam pashyatu. Samichanam. Dhanyawada. Now, next one.
Excuse me, Mahodaya. How is it Panchadasham, Mahodaya? It is Pullingam Balaka, no? So it is Panchadashaha.
Uttama prashnah. Panchadasham balakam pashyatu. Katham bhavati? Giovanni, why is it Panchadasham? Why not Panchadashaha? Why not Panchadashaha?
It's Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Uttamam.
Depending on Pashyatu.
Pashyatu.
Kim
Pashyatu. Kim Pashyatu. Samichanam. Kim Pashyatu Balakam Pashyatu. Why? Balakam padasya visheshanam Panchadasham. So Panchadasha atra Balaka Pullingam, but Ditiya Bhakti. Ditiya.
Right. Okay, Mahodaya, got it. Thank you.
Kumari Bhagini. So look at the 10th girl.
10th?
10th.
That's
10th girl. Look at the 10th.
Dasyaha balakam balika. Dasya Dasha Balika.
So forget 10th. So just say, how do we say, look at the girl?
Pashitu Dasi Balika.
Dasha will keep it later. Okay? Because it is Visheshanam.
Balikam.
Look.
Pashyatu Balikam.
Pashyatu Balikam. 10th. Visheshanam 10th.
Balikam Strilinga asti chet. Dasim Balikam.
Dashim. Look at the table again.
Oh, okay.
Strilinga.
Dashami Balikam.
द्वितीया विभक्तिः दशमी इति
दशमीं बालिकां
दशमीं बालिकां पश्यतु नदी शब्दवत् तद् दीर्घ इकारान्त नदी शब्दवत् सुलभम् दशमीं बालिकां पश्यतु
It is Dashmi or Dashmi?
द्वितीया विभक्ति किं भवति महोदय द्वितीया नदी शब्दस्य द्वितीया किम् द्वितीया विभक्तिरूपं किं भवति नदी शब्दस्य
नदी
सिमिलर्ली दशमीं बालिकां पश्यतु बिकॉज बालिकां इज द्वितीया विभक्ति दशमीं बालिकां पश्यतु बालिका दशमी अस्ति शी इज अ 10th गर्ल बालिका दशमी बालिका बट दशमीं बालिकां पश्यतु लुक एट द 10th गर्ल ओके Any questions on this first 3 columns? प्रश्नाः सन्ति चेत् प्रथम द्वितीय तृतीय चतुर्थतः 17 19 पर्यन्तम् सामान्यतः समानरूपाणि सन्ति सर्वं पुनः प्रथम पंचम षष्ठम दशम पंचदश षोडशः नवदशः नवदशी नवदशम् विशेषणरूपेण तेषां प्रयोगः भवति लिंग वचन विभक्ति रूपाणि भिन्न भिन्न रूपाणि भवन्ति ओके Did I do something?
Vibhakti will be true for Napusakalingam also. Vibhakti Rupani is true for Napusakalingam also.
Yes. Napusakalingam. यथा फल शब्दवत् फलं फले फलानि No, विंशति शब्द विंशतिः विंशतिः संख्या यदस्ति संख्या इज विंशतिः which is shown here अत्र दर्शितं विंशतिः तस्य संख्येयवाचक शब्दः कथं भवति ऑर्डिनल नंबर suppose 20 विंशति means 20 just number 20 विंशतिः बालकाः सन्ति suppose now we want to make it 20th विंशतिः 20 and 20th then again पुनः पुल्लिंग स्त्रीलिंग नपुंसकलिंग रूपाणि भिन्न भिन्न रूपाणि सन्ति अत्र पुल्लिंगे कथं भवति
विंशतितमः
विंशतितमः इति सामान्य रूपम् अस्ति विंशतितमः जस्ट ऐड तमः देयर easiest thing is सुलभ मार्गः अस्ति तम शब्दस्य योजनं करोतु तत्र तम इति योजयतु विंशतितमः पुल्लिंगे अकारान्त शब्दः तमः स्त्रीलिंगे तमी इति अस्ति विंशतितमी ओके एंड तमम् इति नपुंसकलिङ्गम् सुलभम् अस्ति तो सर्वत्र समानम् एव भवति यथा अत्र पश्यतु विंशति विंशतितमः विंशतितमी स्त्रीलिंगे विंशतितमम् त्रिंशत् त्रिंशत्तमः त्रिंशत्तमी त्रिंशत्तमम् अत्र समानमेव षष्टिः षष्टितमः षष्टि typo. Yeah.
Mother, can I ask a question?
Yeah.
In the last class we studied that from number 5 onwards, all the numbers will be Striling and Bahuvachanam.
Which number onwards?
Number 5 onwards. 5 to 20 or 19. All will be Striling and Bahuvachanam. Pancha or that way Pancha, Panchabhi, Panchabhyaha.
No. So see, we did not say Strilingam. So they are Trishulingeshu Samanam. Trishulingeshu Samana Rupam, but the Nitya Bhavachanam. Yeah. So what is the question?
So now here we are saying even Pulling and Napunsakling as well, right?
Yes, correct. Here they are different, right? Here they are ordinal numbers. They are Sankhya. So here they are actual numbers.
Yes.
Like Pancha means 5, just 5. Yes. Not fifth. You're not saying fifth.
Okay.
Pancha is just 5. So if there are 5 bananas, or 5 fruits, so we are saying Pancha Phalani.
Okay.
But in this case, we are saying fifth fruit, not 5 fruits. No? Fifth fruit.
Okay. That is the difference.
Okay. Number 5. Fifth. Panchamaha. Or Panchamam Phalam here. Not Panchamaha.
Right. Understood. Thank you. Okay. And that Striling will remain the same thing. Number 5 onwards, all will be Striling. Is that correct? Understanding?
We are going back to this table?
No, the previous session, number 5, number 6, that way.
This one? Are you talking?
Yes. Yes, it's written here in the 12th row, Darshan, that Trilingeshu. So, in the, against the 10th, this in Darshan, it is written that Trilingeshu, above that Nitya Bahuvachanam word. So
no. See, because that color is highlighted here.
Yeah.
Look at the color here. The color, this Trilingeshu Nitya Vachanam applies to this color coded one. Don't look at each row. Sorry.
Yeah. No, that is fine. That I understand. So Nitya Bahuvachanam means all this will take the Bahuvachanam form only. And Trilingeshu means it will all take Striling form only, right? Is that right?
Not Strilinga, it is Trilinga. 3 means all 3 lingas. It is not Strilinga. Strilinga means 3 lingas, or THREE. In all 3 lingas, they have the same form. They do not change the form, and they are always used in Nitya Bahuvachanam.
Okay.
Always Bahuvachanam, but they differ in the Vibhaktis. Vibhaktis could change.
Yeah, that's right. Trilinga. Dhanyavad.
Okay. Okay. Shashtham Phalam, etc. Panchamam Phalam. So, okay, now Vimshatihi onwards. So, Tama, just add Tamaha, Tami, Tamam to the original number Shabd. So, Vimshatihi iti 20. So, we add Vimshati to the Pratipadikam. Pratipadikam yadasti tatra Tama तमी तमम् इति योजनं करोतु। तमम् अत्र विंशतितम इति प्रातिपदिकं भवति, विंशतितमी इति प्रातिपदिकं, विंशतितम इति प्रातिपदिकं, परन्तु अत्र नपुंसकलिङ्गे तमं भवति फलं शब्दवत्। विंशतितमः, विंशतितमी, विंशतितमः। तथैव इकारान्ते यत्र अस्ति तम, विंशति अनन्तरं षष्टितमः, षष्टितमी, षष्टितमं, सप्ततितमः, सप्ततितमी, सप्ततितमम्, अशीतिः 80, अशीतितमः 80th, अशीतितमी, अशीतितमम्, नवतितमः, नवतितमी, नवतितमम्, अनन्तरं 30 इति 30, 30 इति 30। अत्र किं कर्तव्यं, पुनः तम इति योजनं भवति, विशेषः कोऽपि नास्ति। 30तमः डबल् त, 30तमः, 30तमी, 30तमं, 30th पुल्लिङ्गे, स्त्रीलिङ्गे, नपुंसकलिङ्गे, 40तमः, 40तमी, 40तमम्। एतदेव अस्ति अत्र। ओके, वेरि गुड्। Now that is 20 becomes Vinshatitama. Now 20.
It is double ta.
Double. Yes, double ta.
Just like Uttama.
Just like Uttama. Trinushattama. Now Vinshatitamaha, that means 20th. Vinshatitamaha. And 21st katham bhavati? Saman, there is no change. What is the word for 21? Kim asti?
Ekavimshati.
Ekavimshatihi. So 21st is Ekavimshatitamaha. Just start tama, tami, tamam, sarvatra. So that is a common. Tat sarvatra asti eva. Vimshatitamaha udaharanam atra darshitam asti ekekasya kim asti atra. एकविंशतितमः, एकविंशतितमे, एकविंशतितम, एकत्रिंशत्तमः, एकत्रिंशत्तमे, एकत्रिंशत्तमम्, एकचत्वारिंशत्तमः, एकचत्वारिंशत्तमे, एकचत्वारिंशत्तमम्, पञ्चाशत्तमः, एकपञ्चाशत्तमे, एकपञ्चाशत्तमे, तथैव सर्वत्र। द्वाविंशतितमः, द्वाविंशतितमे, द्वाविंशतितमम्, द्वात्रिंशत्तमः, द्वाविंशतितमे, सर्वत्र भवति। अनन्तरं द्वाविंशत्तम कथं भवति, अत्र संख्या किम् इति पश्यतु। संख्या जानन्ति तथा अत्र संख्या दर्शिताः सन्ति। अत्र 31, 32, तत्र 32तम इति करोतु। 33तम, 34तम, 35तम इति रूपाणि भवन्ति। यत्र किञ्चित् भेदः अस्ति तदेव अत्र अस्मिन् कोष्ठके तस्मिन् कोष्ठके दत्तः। यथा षष्टितमः इति भवन्ति। षष्टितमः, अत्र एकषष्टितमः, एकषष्टितमे अपि समानमेव। अत्र एकसप्ततिः, सप्ततितमः, सप्ततितमे इति समानमेव। तत्र तम, तमी, तम, तमम् अत्र कोऽपि विशेषः नास्ति, सर्वत्र सुलभरूपम् अस्ति अत्र। Now, विकल्परूपेण अत्र विंशः अपि, विंशतितमस्य स्थाने विंशः अपि रूपं भवति। विंशः, विंशः विंशतिः मीन्स् 20, विंशः मीन्स् 20th. For example, पाठः अस्ति 20th lesson. So we can say Vinshatitamaha Pathaha or Vinshah Pathaha. Both are correct. स्त्रीलिङ्गे विंशः अस्ति चेत् स्त्रीलिङ्गे विंशी भवति, अनन्तरं नपुंसकलिङ्गे विंशं भवति। तथैव त्रिंशः अपि अस्ति, त्रिंशत् इति पदस्य 30th त्रिंशत्तमः अथवा त्रिंशः, त्रिंशत्तमी अथवा त्रिंशी, त्रिंशत्तमः त्रिंशत्तमम् अथवा त्रिंशम् इति रूपाणि भवन्ति। अत्र एकषष्टितमः अथवा षष्टितमः अस्ति, अत्र विकल्पं न दत्तमस्ति, परन्तु एकषष्टितमः अत्र यदा भवति तत्र एकषष्टः इति इत्यादीनि रूपाणि सन्ति। यदि स्मरणे अस्ति चेत् उत्तमं, नास्ति चेदपि नास्ति चिन्ता। केवलं तम तमी तमम् इति स्मरणे भवति चेत् पर्याप्तमस्ति, 90तमः इति।
सेम वे द्विषष्ठ और द्विषष्टितम।
द्विषष्टः करेक्ट, द्विषष्टितमः। अनन्तरं अन्यत् स्मरणे भवतु षष्टिः, षष्टि मीन्स् 60, 6 means what? What is the word for 6?
Shasht.
Huh?
Shad.
षष् महोदय, महोदय षष् इति प्रातिपदिकमस्ति, प्रातिपदिकस्य प्रयोगः न भवति, केवलं षट् और षड्, षट् और षड्।
ओके षड्, षट्पदम्,
षट्पदं षण्मुखः। इदानीं sixth, what is the word for sixth?
Sastama.
षट्तमः,
षष्टः,
षट्तमः,
षट्तमः।
I hope you see the, you are looking at the screen, right?
षष्टः,
Yeah.
षष्टितमः,
Huh?
षष्टितमः is the pumlingam.
Sixth.
Oh, yeah, षट्. Oh, so sorry. Okay, one second. Panchamah, षष्टः, षष्टिः, षष्टः.
I think षट्तमः.
So udaharanam, sixth boy,
षष्टः,
षष्ठः बालकः, sixth girl,
षष्ठी बालिका,
बालिका, sixth fruit, षष्ठं फलम्। इदानीं 60th, not 60, not 6th, 60th, 60th बालक किं भवति?
षष्टितमः,
षष्टितम बालक,
षष्टितमः बालक। That is clear, but many times I have seen, not in this class, before previous also, many people generally tend to forget or make mistake or forget for the th and t. Remember this, there is a alpa prana t here, shashti, and whereas here it is mahaprana th. So be clear about this when writing and as well as reading or saying उच्चारण कालेपि अत्र अल्पप्राणट षष्टिः, षष्टितमः, षष्टितमी, and if it is sixth it is ठ, षष्ठी। अत्र षष्ठितमः इति न उक्तम्, षष्ठितमः नास्ति, षष्टितमः।
60th.
Because किं भवति अत्र विकल्परूपमपि अस्ति अत्र षष्टितमी अत्र एकषष्टि अस्ति उदाहरणम् एकषष्टि 61st एकषष्टि केचन जनाः अत्र विकल्परूपस्य प्रयोगं कुर्वन्ति विकल्परूपम् एकषष्टि अस्ति ते जानन्ति विकल्परूपम् एकषष्टितमी स्थाने एकषष्टि इति वदन्ति परन्तु बिकास् षष्टि कदाचित् भ्रमः भवति षष्ठी इति उच्चारणम् अथवा लेखनं भवति तथा न भवेत् एकषष्टि एव Any question so far? So shatam also, you know, shatam is also like other thing, just tama, tami, tamam. There is no nothing special. Tama, tami.
But we call in 60th, after 60th birthday, we call the Satyaptamurti.
No, let's keep it aside. It's not related to this. Any question on this? Oh, okay. So, Sankhya Shabda.
Ashititamah means 80th, no? Ashititam.
Ashiti. Ashititama, 80th. Ashititami is striling 80th. For example, if you want to say 80th year, let's say. '80th year.
Ashititam tamah varshah.
अशीतितमः वर्षः उत्तमम् अशीतितमः वर्षः अशीतितमः वत्सरः एनीथिंग यू कैन से अशीतितमः ऋतुः में सीजन अशीतितमम् अयनम् is also like year like Uttarayana, Dakshina, like that. Ashiti tamam ayanam. Ashiti tami, what is 80th? Ashiti tami tithi. Ashiti tami 80th. What could be 80th Strilingam? Ashiti tami mahila.
अशीतितमं जन्मदिनम्
अशीतितमं जन्मदिनं नवनवतितमं जन्मदिनं शततमं जन्मदिनं
Katipaya, all this is questioning, no? Katipaya, Katipayaha, Katipayam. It is a question.
So we'll discuss Katipaya in a separate class. Kati, you know already. Kati shabdam jananti. Katipaya separate. Kati. What is Kati? How many, right?
Nitya Bahuvachanam.
Nitya Bahuvachanam, which is Atra Asti. Kati. Nitya Bahuvachanam Anantaram परंतु विभक्ति भेद अस्ति कति 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 For example, if you want to ask with how many coins he bought something, he bought a watch. So with how many coins he bought the watch? How are we going to say that? He bought the watch. What is the basic sentence, right? Kim vakyam kim bhavati? He bought the watch. Who wants to do it? Vasumati Bhagini. He bought the watch. What is the spelling of bought? B-O? I don't know. B-A or B. bought the watch.
GOUGHT.
वसुमती भगिनी अस्ति किम्?
आं महोदय।
न
कति मूल्यानि?
एकनिमिषं भगिनि, वसुमती भगिनी। He bought the watch. किम् अत्र संस्कृतभाषा?
Do you say for watch?
Watch, घटी.
घटी, घटी क्रीणाति। घटीं क्रीणाति, घटीं क्रीणाति।
घटीं क्रीणाति, सः घटीं क्रीणाति, घटीं क्रीणाति। उत्तमं। Now so let's say सः घटीं, he bought the so you are saying lat lakara, that's fine. You can use kritavan also. Right? He buys, like you want to say buys, that's fine. Sah ghatim krinati. So let's say he buys the watch with 20 rupees or 20 coins. So how do you say? Sah ghatim krinati with 20 coins.
विंशति तमीं घटीं क्रीणाति।
उषा भगिनी?
विंशतिं
Okay, hold on. Vinshati, I think that's getting kinchit klesha asti. So let's say with coins. Just say he buys watch with coins.
नाणकेन नाणकेन घटीं क्रीणाति।
Coins बहुवचनम्।
नाणकैः।
Now with 20.
विंशत्यै।
Oh, yeah. विंशतिभ्यः विंशत्या
कथं विंशत्या कथं भवति भगिनि?
तृतीया विभक्ति महोदय।
तृतीया विभक्ति वचनं
बहुवचनं।
विंशत्या बहुवचनं?
एकवचनं न, नित्य
विंशत्या इति पदम् एकवचनं। यदि मत्या अस्ति, मत्या नद्या, नदी शब्दवत् नास्ति, मति शब्दवत्। मति शब्दस्य तृतीया विभक्ति अस्ति विंशत्या, मत्या, विंशत्या। तो विंशतितमी इति किमर्थम् आसीत्?
नो ऐ एम् सारी, विंशत्या।
विंशत्या न, विंशतितमी भवति चेत् 20th कायिन् भवति। विंशत्या नाणकैः सः घटीं क्रीणाति। नो, इदानीं सपोज् वयं न जानीमः कति रूप्यकाणि आवश्यकानि इति, तस्य मूल्यं किमिति न जानीमः। So you want to ask, he buys watch with how many coins? That is the question. Prashna asti. With how many coins does he buy the watch? With how many? 20 na? With how many? Vinshati iti na janimah.
Use tritiya vibhakti, right? For with how many? Katihi. Katihi. Is it katihi or katibhihi?
Katibhihi.
Yes. Bahuvachanam. Okay.
Nitya bahuvachanam kati. because we always say how many, right? There is no ekavachanam. With how many means we are intending multiple there, but answer could be one. Uttaram ekavachanam bhavati praya kadashit ekavachanam. Ekena nadakena ghatim kritivan. Only one coin. That is fine. But prashnaha tu bahuvachane bhavati. How many? Katibhihi nanakaihi ghatim kritavan. In how many houses there are, let's say, what do you call? There is a Mahabharata pustakam, katham Ramayana pustakam. In how many kim bhavati vakyam? Let's say somebody else should try this. Who else is there? Sheila Bhagini, Shiva.
Akshoni. Kati akshoni sanyah asti.
Katishu.
Hold on. So, when I'm trying to call, please don't answer. Okay. I'm looking for some paper. I think she left already. Nirmala Bhagini. From how many houses the boys are coming?
It's not there. From how many houses?
From how many houses the boys are coming?
Kati grahe. Kati.
Can I try?
No, hold on, Bhagini. Suresh Mohoday.
Not able to.
Kati Guhat Balakaha agachanti.
उत्तम. So मूलवाक्यम् अत्र अस्ति बालकाः आगच्छन्ति. तत् उत्तम आरम्भ एवमेव करणीयं. मूलवाक्यं यत् वाक्यं मूलमस्ति तद् लिखतु आदौ. बालकाः आगच्छन्ति मूलक न इदानीम् अन्येषां पदानां योजनं भवेत्. तत् अन्येषां पदानां कथं भवति? अत्र बालकाः आगच्छन्ति. बालकाः आगच्छन्ति किं गृहात्? From how many house? 1 second. I'm again requesting. Somebody answering. You can mute yourself and you can practice. Suresh Mohoday. No, Gruha. Suppose we want to say, from houses, boys come from houses. That is the basic. Moola vakyam asti, boys come from houses. So, balakaha agachanti.
Grihebhyah balakaha agachanti.
Grihebhyah. Ito uttamam asti. Grihebhyah. Kim asti? Vacha vibhaktihi ka atra?
Panchami vibhakti. Panchami vibhakti bahuvachanam.
एतद् मुख्य विषयः एतदेव. मुख्य विषयः अस्ति पञ्चमी विभक्ति इति ज्ञातव्यं. पञ्चमी विभक्ति इति न ज्ञायते चेत् तत् सर्वदा किं भवति? ऊहापोहः भवति, तर्कः भवति. कतिभिः भवति चेत् कतिभिः भवति किं न जानीमः. कति न. मूलवाक्यस्य मूलपदस्य विभक्ति ज्ञानं भवेत्. agachanti from, we are saying from, right? Gruhe kasmat agachanti, atha kutah agachanti, from where they come. So bahuvachanam idanim apekshitam asti, gruhebhyah agachanti. If it is ekavachanam, it becomes gruhat. Gruhat agachanti. Atra bahuni grahani santi iti gruhebhyah balakah agachanti. Anantaram kim bhavati? Kati. Kati padasya prayoga bhavati. Katham bhavati yata samana vibhakti samana.
But it's okay to use Grihat as a one house, right? How many kids are coming from that house?
Yeah, if that is your sentence, use Gruhat. Now, right now, my sentence is from how many houses?
Okay.
That is, if it is Katibhyah.
Vibhakti is, it should be used Bahuvachana or Ekavachana. Ekavachana is
Kati Shabda is always Bahuvachana.
Bahuvachana. Katibhyah.
Yeah, because if you already know it is the answer is Ekavachanam, you don't ask from how many houses boys are coming, right? If you know already they are coming from one, you don't ask the question.
Nitya Bahuvachana.
Right? There is no point in asking Kati if you know the answer is one or two. Because if you don't know one or two, you are asking the question Katibhyah Gruhebhyah, from how many houses? Is that clear?
Yes.
Huh?
You're saying that from how many houses or how many boys?
No,
depending on that, you would use that Panchami Vibhakti for Grihat or Grihebhyah.
No, my question was from how many houses the boys are coming?
Then it would be Grihebhyah. Katibhyah. Grihebhyah. Balakaha agachanti. And if it is, we're saying how many boys are coming from how many houses, can we say that?
Let's not put two how many is right now. One how many? Yeah. Okay. How many boys are coming?
Yeah. How many boys are coming? In the previous one, our emphasis was on the houses. How many houses they are coming from?
Correct.
Now we are saying how many boys are coming from that house, from the house. Then it would be Ekavachanam.
Why is it Ekavachanam? Oh, hold on. If it is Ekavachanam, you already know one boy is coming.
One boy is coming? No, there can be many boys coming from one house.
So Kati is always Bahuvachanam.
So, okay. So then in that case, we won't use Katibhyah. Simply say Kati Balakaha.
Prathama Vibhakti. Vachanam Bahuvachanam. Vibhakti Prathama.
Okay, I
think
Kati Balakaha. Okay. I understood now. Yeah, thank you.
अस्तु अन्ये प्रश्नाः सन्ति चेत् पृच्छन्तु no
Mahoday, in your other sentence, in how many houses there are Ramayanam books, it will be Katishu Griheshu Ramayanam Pustakani Santi, correct?
Ramayana Pustakani, make it one word. Or Ramayanam iti pustakam.
Okay. Ramayanam iti pustakam.
Because Ramayana is like Ramayana Grantha, right?
Correct.
So just that can be one Ekavachanam. Katishu Griheshu Ramayana.
Why iti should be there? Why iti should be there, Guru?
Hold on. Let me complete my sentence. We are saying in how many houses Ramayana book is there? Ramayana book we can use only single Ekavachanam. Katishu Griheshu Ramayana Pustakam Asti.
Okay.
What is it? Karta Mahoday?
No, why iti should be added?
Iti is not needed. It is just I said because formation of the sentence was like that. I was Katishu Griheshu Ramayana Pustakam athva Ramayana Grantha asti.
No, here we are referring only Ramayana. So that's what I doubted. That's why I doubted why iti should be there.
When you say iti, you mean that a book called Ramayana.
Right.
That's the difference. But if everybody knows that there is a book called Ramayana, then you don't have to put iti.
So just we can stop here, but just some people did not. So just to repeat again, यदा अस्माकम् अभ्यासः भवति शब्द प्रयोगः भवति तत्र सामान्य पदानि यानि सन्ति अथा पाठ अस्ति प्रश्न अस्ति उत्तर अस्ति तत्र लिङ्गस्य विषये किञ्चित् अवधानं लक्ष्यं तत्र भवेत्. Means pay attention there. Even while you are writing, many times I get your emails or something with like grapatham, grapatha. So we are using grapatha. Just use that as pullinga. Grapatha pullinga rupam asti. Prashnaha uttaram, like that. Just keep the simple things in mind because these are very basic words, right? So here at least we should not be making mistakes.
Mahoday, but Grihapatah asti, Grihapatam samarpayami.
Yes, that is Ditya. Yeah, Ditya Vibhakti is correct. Grihapatham preshayami, samarpayami.
Subject to Vibhakti.
Yep. Astu, we can stop here a little bit early, but that's fine.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Dhanyawada.
Thank you.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.